Hi, I'm Chase from Aurora Middle School, and I'm going to be teaching you about hands-on equations. Our problem is negative 3x plus 2 plus negative 10 plus x. So, as I said, this is x, this is the opposite of x, the green cube is negative, and the red cube is a positive. So, to do what we're going to do here is we're going to try and take away this pawn. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 white pawns to each side. So now we can take away a pair of 0. And now we have the negative 4x, or the opposite of 4x. Now we want to take away this 2. So to do this, we're going to add 2 to each side. We're going to add negative 2 to each side. So after we add that, we have this pair of 0. So we'll take that away. And then we have 12 here. So then we have 4 pawns, and 4 pawns can go into 12 3 times. 3, 6, 9, 12. So our answer is negative x equals 3. Now if we change that, it would be x equals 3. Okay, so our next problem is negative 3x, or the opposite of 3x, as I should say, plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So, we got a problem here. And what we're going to do first is we're going to take away pairs of 0. So, since we take those away, since they're pairs of 0. Then, we want to get rid of these ones over here. Or we want to get rid of these ones over here. But to make it simpler, I'm going to get rid of these ones over here. So, we're going to add a blue pawn to each side, and then we can take away a pair of 0. We're going to do that again, and then we can take away a pair of 0 again from over here. Now we want to get rid of this 3. So, we're going to add positive 3 to each side. So, after adding our 3's, we have our pair of 0 over here, so we're going to take this away. And we have our 8 here, so if we change that to an 8, and now, so we have 4x equals 8. So to make it simpler, I'm going to switch these around. So now, we can do 2, 4, 6, 8. So that means x equals 2. X plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to take away the same thing. So we can take away blue pawns, 2 blue pawns from each side. And then we want to get rid of this 3. So we're going to add 3 to each side. So if we do this, we can take away this pair of 0. Now we have pairs of 0, but if we subtract 3 from 7, we'll have 4 left over. So we're going to change this to a 4, and we have 2 here and a 4 here. So we can do 2 and 4. So this would equal 2 equal x equals 2, and the opposite of x would equal negative 2.